Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the what are the types of IOC and difference between the application context and being factory. Before starting today's our topic, let's see yesterday's concept in a short. Yesterday we have covered dependency injection and inversion of a controller. First, dependency injection. Dependency injection, it means it is a one class. It is totally depend on the another class. It means in class one there must be declared class 2 object in class 1. That time class 1 is done his work with the help of the class 2. That is the example of dependency injection. Then second is the inversion of a control. Inversion of control, it is the configuring and managing the methods. And IOC container, it is the stores the multiple objects of multiple classes in container. There are the two types. First is a bin factory. Second is the application context. Let's see. Spring it provides IOC, and IOC it provides it two types. Let's see. Application context, it is the extends the spring. It is extends the bin factory. It means, and in upcoming in a latest version, there is bin factory. It is replaced by the application context. Application context, it is provides the advanced features as compared to the bin factory. Bin factory, let's see some examples of a bin factory. In a bin factory, we can create objects by user requirement. In bin factory, if there is any requirement of a user to create some object, and a user wants some objects from the bin factory, that time bin factory it's not created objects in already. If user want some object from the bin factory, that time bin factory it is the take a request from the user and create the object, and it sends to the user. That time there is some lazy operation performed by the bin factory. Bin factory, it is the slowest process as compared to the application context. In the bin factory, we can add or create objects by the dependency injections. In the bin factory, there are some methods like get bin or string. Get bin methods, it is the returns the method name in the factory. Then second is the contents bin. In the contents bin, it is provides the data present in the bin factory. Its return value, its return value in form the true or false content. Then third is prototype. Prototype means if you want to add some objects, that time we use the prototype. If user want 2 or 3, 4, 5 objects, that time prototype will perform this operation. Then let's see what is the application context. In the application context it is a implements class path application context. In an application context, there is an annotation. There is an annotation in the application context. Application context, it is the extends the Bean Factory. If we suppose, let's see, if we are using the application context, so let's see why 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 is required of a Bean Factory. Because in an application context we can in an application context we cannot create an object of any class. That time application context performs the some task with the help of the Bean Factory. Bean Factory, it is the created the object and it sends to the application context. That means the developer task is easy by the application context, because some code is a developer developer is need to be create a some code. That time developer is the create that code, and the remaining code creating object, this will performed by the Bean Factory. In the application context there is the perform the aggressive loading. It means the if you want to add some data or some object, that time you can create object with the help of the new keyword. That's all about the difference between the application context and Bean Factory. Thank you.